Welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll be having a look at how to create a QR code in Excel in a free and simple way. Click up here, on the Insert tab, find the group Add-ins and click on the option Get Add-ins. You'll see a library of features where you can use the option Search to look for the For Y'all's Office add-in. Now just confirm your choice by clicking on Add, and you're all set. On the right-hand side of the screen, For Y'all's Office will open a pane which you can use to create your own QR codes. We're going to use the URL address, so we'll go for the option HTTPS, and we'll type in. Now you can pick a color for the generated QR code here or the background color here. Once everything's been set, just click on the button Insert down here and that's it. Here's your QR code all ready to be moved where you need it. If you right-click on it and select the option Save as Picture, the QR code will be saved into your computer, and you can use it in any other application,